Hey guys, welcome to Brick, New Jersey. So, this is the tiki bar that's here. And what we're doing is we're taking this roof off. And yes, it was a little tight squeeze getting down the driveway, but we're putting on a tiki cab roof. So, let's see what this looks like underneath. Yeah. Almost looks like a satellite dish up there. I don't know what it is. But we're gonna take that off and we're putting one of my roofs on. So I guess this is screwed on. Yeah, it looks like it's screwed on right there. So we'll take that out and then we'll get my roof up there. And then it's not sunny today, it's overcast, but we got a nice view out into the bay. It's real nice out here. And it's a little cool, only in the low 70s today. So we have a very diminished crew today. It's a crew of 1 plus Jay. Jay's my +1 today. So we're gonna get, Jay and I are gonna get this unloaded, get that other roof detached, get this up there, and then I'll get it thatched today. And then hopefully we'll head home around, what time is it, Jay? About 10?
9:30.
9:30. Hopefully we're out of here by noon. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, we'll see what the two of us can get done. I'll take another video later. All right, so for now, from Brick, New Jersey, Tiki Hut.